Public engagement in science brings a real added value to research and innovation. Community science is all about engaging people in dynamic, multidisciplinary research and innovation that help better tackle societal challenges. Pooling ideas, comparing different mindsets, drawing on people's collective wealth of experience to advance research in every field. Sparks is leading the way, bringing communities together with the right people, tools, and advice, facilitating open access and public engagement in responsible research and innovation. Sparks is raising the profile of innovative research carried out by people like you and me who are really changing lives, making a real difference in health, environment, community welfare. Sparks has developed and tested methodologies for public engagement all over Europe, with a traveling exhibition Beyond the Lab telling the inspiring stories of citizens who are opening up scientific research to everyone. People involved at grassroots, teaching communities about responsible research and innovation.
So now we have the Open Wet Lab, a place where everybody can come in. It's a public laboratory where you can do your own experiments that have something to do with creative biotechnology.
Self-tracking is a very powerful tool for the future of healthcare. My being able to do almost everything I want to do, despite having Parkinson's, is the way I've observed and optimized my treatments.
Commissioning for artists to envision innovative ways of tackling various issues in the future with their own personal versions of possible new treatments.
I want to see how I can make it a little bit less invasive for the child to go into this therapeutic session and be the unicorn or wear this device as a much more playful experience.
Over 230 hands-on community projects involving ordinary people everywhere, no matter where they are or what they do.
Something that as an expert I'm learning more and more, and that is that one should spend more time listening than speaking.
I would definitely like to try it back home in Sweden where I live.
Make the experts the questioners is a way to engage in social reasoning that wouldn't otherwise happen and is clearly very needed these days.
We should be looking forward to make real questions that we are interested in, address them to the different publics, and really listen to what they have to say.
Sparks has come up with an easy-to-follow set of best practices that can be taught and applied from city to city in communities of every type, with a specially designed toolkit full of tips and tricks on how to design your own activities. Discover how you can find local partners and organizations to build your own projects. Drop us a line or visit our website to get your free copy of the Sparks Toolkit and join our community. Sparks, rethinking innovation together.